Hello guys and welcome back to my channel PixBreak. In this video I will show you how you can create a sketch effect in Photoshop. This is the image I converted into sketch image. So now without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all you need to download an image. I am using this image. I downloaded it from unsplash.com. If you want you can download from Unsplash and you can use your own image. It's your wish. So now start the procedure of. First of all you need to unlock the layer by clicking on small lock button, then rename to the subject. Okay, then you need to convert a subject layer to smart object. After that you need to make two copies of the subject layer by pressing Ctrl J. By creating a copy you need to press Ctrl J, then rename one to filter and rename second layer to lines. Okay, after that you need to select a filter layer, then go to the filter gallery and select a turn edges. You need to fit a screen of the image for better result. You can set your own values according to your image, but this values is work for all images. This is a good values. Image balance is 25, smoothness is 11 and contrast is 17. This is work for our image. If you want you can use these images. Then click on OK. After that you need to select a lines layer and go to the filter gallery and make sure it's fit on screen and select a photocopy. Okay, first of all this is made a very invisible image, so first of all you need to change values of this. The detail value is 4 and darkness value is 24. I am using at end. This is making a very cool image. You can see it and you can adjust darkness according to your image, but these values is very perfect. These will create a very good sketch of your image. So now press on OK button. So now the sketch is ready. I hope you like this video. If you like, so please like the video and subscribe my channel. Or if you want more content like this, my channel is according to you. If you want, I upload daily videos about Photoshop and Illustrator. If you want to learn Illustrator and Photoshop, you can subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Be happy, be creative. Bye bye.